Do you want to create your own tour and travel website? Tripcart makes it super easy. You don't need to buy any hosting or use any extra plugin. Tripcart has everything you need to run a successful and profitable tour and travel business. Built-in hosting, easy drag and drop website builder, an advanced payment system, email automation, and much more. By watching this video, you will learn how easy it is to create tour booking website. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor, PRBoost.io. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, PR Boost gets your business featured on top news sites like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on batch. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with PR Boost. Link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. Alright, to create a tour booking website with Tripcart, first of all, go to the first link in the video description. It will take you to Tripcart website. So here you can see Tripcart offers you 30-day free trial, no credit card required. To start creating a tour booking website, just click here and get your 30-day free trial without any credit card. If you do not have account on Tripcart, just click here to sign up and fill in the simple sign up form just by typing your first name, last name, email and password. So let me quickly fill in the details and then simply click on create an account. Now you have to verify your email. Just go to your mailbox and you should receive an email from Tripcart. Let's open it up and click on verify email address. Alright, so first thing first, you have to set up your website. Just enter your company name and this is going to be your subdomain. Later you can add your own custom domain if you want, but right now I'll go with the subdomain and then click on create my website. Now enter website information like what stage are you in. I'm going to select this one. I want to start my travel business but haven't started yet. Select the type of tour you offer. I'll select both. Select your travel industry. I'll select city tour or you can choose any of the following. What is the number of bookings in the year? You can select from here 50 to 100 and then click next. Now simply type in your business address and your phone number, state, city and zip code and click on complete button. Alright guys, so right now we are inside the dashboard of Tripcart. Now to visit your site, let's click over here. Let me skip this. Click over here and simply click on this button and it will open your website. So as you can see, this is the website created by Tripcart. This is the amazing looking website as you can see. Now within this website, you can create tours, add-ons and much more as per your preferences. So let me show you all the features and functionalities of this website one by one. So let's close this out. So first thing first, we will create a tour. So you can either click over here or you can go to tour and then click on all tour. And here you can see we don't have any tour yet. To create a new one, just simply click over here, add new tour. And here you have to select the tour type, activity, single day tour or multi-day tour. For single day tour or activity that don't require overnight accommodations, perfect for day trips, excursions or single event bookings. On the other hand, for tours that span multiple days and include overnight stays or multiple destinations. So let's go with multi-day tour. I'll select that one and click on continue. So first, you need to type the tour name, Mythical Rajasthani Heritage and Desert Adventure. As you type the name, link will be automatically created for you. Or you can customize this link as per your preferences. For example, you can type something like Mythically-Rajasthani-Heritage. And you can see URL is available. Next, tour type. We already selected the multi-day tour. Duration, that's set to 7 days. Age range, let's type the number 18 to 55. Next, the destination. If you do not see the destination over here, just click on add new destination. Type the destination name, Jaipur. Click add. You can add multiple destination by clicking over here and then click on add new destination. And this time, I'm going to type Rajasthan and then click on add new. Next, let's click on Jaipur and then create another one. Click on add new destination. And here I'm going to type something like Jodhpur and now select the parent, which is the Rajasthan. Click on add new. Let's add one more, Udaipur, and select the parent, Rajasthan, and click on add new. So this way you can add as many destinations as you want for your tour. Let's go with the activities. Click here and select add new activity. Enter the activity name, Camel Safari in Thar Desert. Click add and let's add more. Click here, click on add new activity, type the activity name, folk dance evenings and click add. Difficulty level, medium. Next, tour level, culture and adventure. Next we have the excerpt. This text will be appear on the tour page when the tour created. So type your description for your tour. So this is the description. Once you type the description, and now you need to add the gallery images. Just click here and now click on upload files and click to upload, or you can drag and drop your images. I've got these 3 stock images. I'm gonna drag and drop over here. Once you're done with it, click on insert and your images will be added. So I've added only 3 images. You can change the order of these images just by dragging and dropping. You can add as many images as you want for your tour. And we're not completely set up our tour yet. In the left hand side, you can see we have few other options to create a complete tour that we'll look at one by one. But first of all, let's click on publish and see how this tour looks like on our website. Let's click on view tour. So you can see these are the images that I've added. Just click here to see. By clicking over here, you can scroll through these images as you can see. Okay, so below that you can see the title and few other information like duration, age range, destination, activities and difficulty level. And this is the overview, or you can say the description. And now we need to set up few other options. So let's close this tab, come back here in the editing page of this tour. In the left hand side you can see we have the itinerary. Just click here. In the section title you can see itinerary is already there. You can change it if you want, or you can keep it itinerary. So I'm going to change it to arrival and exploration in Jaipur. Days, how many days? 1 day. Itinerary title, enter the itinerary title. Welcome to the Pink City. Next, we need to add the description. Next, we have the accommodation. Let's type the accommodation. Heritage Hotel in Jaipur. Next, we have the meals. Breakfast, lunch or dinner. I'll select dinner, or you can select all of them. It's all up to you. Next, the gallery images. Let's click here. You can upload your gallery images for the itinerary. I'm going to add these images just for the example to show you guys, but in your case, you can add your own itinerary images. Let's click on insert and let's click on update and let's see the changes. Click here to view the tour. Now just scroll down and you can see we have the itinerary tab. When you click here, you can see the arrival and exploration in Jaipur. You can expand entire itinerary just by clicking here. You can see Day 1 and welcome to the Pink City. This is the description and this is the gallery images and more information about the itinerary. You can collapse this by clicking over here. Let's close this tab. So we have created the itinerary. You can create as many itinerary as you want just by clicking here. Let's go to includes tab. Here we need the includes title, list of includes, and exclude title and list of the excludes. So let's add what is included and what is excluded in this tour. Let's type the title, the cost of includes, and type the list of the includes, what is included in this tour. So this is the list of the things that are included within this tour. Let's type the exclude title, the cost exclude, and the list of the items that are excluded. Okay, so these are the items that are excluded from this tour. Let's click on update and let's see the tour by clicking here. Let's scroll down and you can see the cost includes. These are the items that are included and these are the items that are not included. Okay, let's close this out and let's go back here. And now let's go to tour information, and here just simply click on add tour information, like enter the name. Let's type something like maximum altitude and select the icon. Select the icon. I'm selecting the random icon from here. Let's click save and let's click on add tour info. This time I'm going to type best season and select the icon. Let's select this one, click save. Let's add more. So I'm going to quickly add few of them and I'll come back once I'm done. Alright, so you can see I've added few more. Now I need to add the information for maximum altitude, best season, transportation, start point, end point, and accommodation. You can add as many tour information as you want. So let me quickly fill in the details. Maximum altitude is 431 meters and transportation air conditioning private vehicle for all necessary intercity and location travel. Next, we have the endpoint. Endpoint is Udaipur, drop off at Udaipur airport/railway station or hotel. Next, we have the best season, October to March. Start point, Jaipur, pick up from Jaipur airport/railway station or hotel. And finally, we have the accommodation. Let's type the accommodation as well. Okay, so we added the accommodation as well. Let's click on update and let's see the changes. Click on view tour. Okay, scroll down and you can see we have the tour information added like best season, transportation, start point, end point, accommodation, maximum altitude, and so on. Let's close this out and let's add other information like we have the price. In the price tab, we have the select package type, single or multiple. Let's go with multiple. Here you can see we have the general, adult, and detail tab. In the general, let's type the package name, Royal Heritage Package, label recommended, and mark this default. Let's check this if you want to make this default. Okay, let's go to adults tab. Here we have the selling price and we have the crossed price. Crossed price is usually higher than the selling price. So let's type the selling price and cross price 1000 and 1200. Next, we have the number of person required for this package, minimum 1 and maximum 20. And group discount. If you like to offer a group discount, you can enable this. 1 to 2 people, there will be 1000. 3 to 4 will be 800. And 5 to 6 will be 700. And 7 to 20 will be 500. This is how you create a group discount. You can add more packages within this tour if you want. Let's go to details tab. Here you can add the gallery images. I'm going to upload the same images because I don't have the extra images. Package highlights. Here you can add the package highlights and the description. So let me quickly fill in the details. This is the package highlight. Now let me type the description. So this is the description. So after adding the package highlights and description, let's click on update and let's see the changes just by clicking here, view tool. Now scroll down. You can see we have the packages and you click here. Now you can see we have this package, Royal Heritage Package, and here's the information about this package. This is the images that I've added. This is the title and this is the description. And here your customer can choose the date and this is the group discount. Your customer can book this tour just by clicking on the book now button, or they can book this tour by going to selecting the date and so on. Let's close this tab. Come back here and now let's look at the dates tab. Cutoff time. It means that travel must book at least 2 days before the tour starts. You can adjust this based on your operational capacity. Let's type something like 2. Starting date. You can add the fixed departure date or you can keep it open-ended for fixed group tour. So let me add the starting date. Let's go with April 15, 2025. Let's add few more. June 1st. That's it. Blocks date means you can block any date where the tour is unavailable. Maybe during major holidays, extreme weather, or maintenance breaks. To add a block date, simply click here. Let's add the block date. You can add as many block date as you want. There you go. Or you can repeat this in every year just by checking this box. Let's click on update. Once you update this, let's go to map. Here you can add the section title. Iframe goes here. Or you can add the map image. So I don't have the map image yet. I'm gonna select this one. Just pretend as a map. Just click on insert and there you go. Click on update. So this is your map. But in your case, you have to add your own original map image. Let's go to reviews. So make sure to check this option, display reviews. This is very important. Reviews allow you to enhance your tour by displaying reviews from multiple trusted platforms like TripAdvisor, Google Reviews, and Trustpilot. So make sure you enable this review and then click on update, or you can also add review if you want. Let's click on update. Now let's go to FAQ. So in the FAQ section, we have the section title. So let me quickly type the title, frequently asked questions. And here I need to add the FAQ. Let's add the question. What is the best time to visit Rajasthan? Let's answer this question. The best time to visit is from October to March when the weather is pleasant and ideal for desert activities and sightseeing. Let's add more. Let's add the question and answer. So in the similar way, you can add as many FAQs as you want. Once you're done with it, click on update and you can view the tour by clicking here. And here you can see we have all the information. If you scroll down, you can see we have the FAQ section. We have added only 2 question answers. Let's close this tab. Now let's go to others tab. So here I'm going to add other important information like things to carry, or you can click over here. You can change this to heading 2. By clicking over here, the plus button, you can add heading, list, text, and so on and so forth. You can add even images, as you can see. Alright, so as you can see, I've added the other essential information for this tour. So let's go click on update to update this tour. Let me close this tab and this one as well. Now we are going to create add-ons. Add-ons not only improve your customer experience on your website, but it also allows them to add extra services to their tour. By doing this, you can improve your overall order value and this will boost your revenue. So let's see how to create add-ons. Let's go to add-ons right over here, or you can create add-ons just by going back, and here under the tour, you can see add-on services. And here you can see we haven't created any add-on yet. You can create it by clicking over here, add new add-ons, or you can go to all tours, select your tour, go to add-ons, and here you can see in the drop down we don't have any add-ons that we can add inside this tour. To create a new add-ons, you can click over here to create a new one. So before we create new add-ons, I want to let you know that you can create 2 types of add-ons. First one is where you can create multiple packages from single service, and the next one is you can create simple single service. We'll see how to create both types of add-ons. So let's go ahead, click on add new add-ons. And first of all, we are going to create single service add-on, and we have the title. Let's fill in the title, camera ride experience. And next, let's type the title over here as well. And the price is $250. And let's add the description. And let's upload the image. Select this one and click insert. Let's click save. So this is single service add-on. Let's create multiple. Let's click here, click on add new add-ons, and let's add the title, culture experience package. Let's add the subtitle. This would be basic. The cost will be 500. Let's add the description. Let's click on add more options. Let's type the subtitle as well, standard, and cost will be 700. Let's add the description for standard package. You can see the difference between basic and standard. In the basic, we have folk dance showing the evening at camp, and we have the folk dance plus traditional Rajasthani dinner. Let's create one more premium. Cost will be 1200. Let's add the description. Alright, so you can see we have added the premium package as well inside this single service. This is how you create multiple packages for single add-on services. You can upload the image for each package. Since I don't have any image, I can just simply upload the same image. I'm going to click on insert. This is an example to create a multiple package and single add-on services. Let's click on save. So this is how you create multiple packages on single service. Let's click on update. Okay, now let's see our site. Let's click on preview. So this is the tour that we have created. Let's scroll down and click on book now. And right now we are inside the checkout page, and you can see we have this add-ons created, camera ride and culture experience package. We have the basic, standard and premium package. Your customer can select any package of their choice. Let's say if your customer select the standard package, the price will update. Your customer can add more than one package from any add-on services. Just like it, the price will be automatically updated over here. Alright, so let's go ahead, close this out, come back here. Alright, now we are going to create the accommodation. If you go here, the accommodation tab, you can see we don't have any accommodation created yet. To create a new accommodation, for example, you can create room types, number of guests, price, or some detail about the room. Let's go ahead and create the accommodation first, and then we can add that type of accommodation into this existing tour. So let's go back, and under the tour, you can see we have the accommodation option over here. So go ahead, select that. So you can see we haven't created any accommodation yet, right? So to create a new one, just click here, add room type, and you can see we have the room type, number of guests, and description, and some detail. So let me quickly add those details. Standard room, number of guests, 2. Let's add the description. And now let's add the details about accommodation. Click on Add Details button and type the details about the standard room. Now click on Save. Alright, so we have created the standard room. The similar way, you can create multiple room type. Click on Add Room Type. Type the name Deluxe Room for 3 traveler or guest. Let's add the description. Now let's add some detail about this deluxe room. Click on Add Details and then click on Save. Now let's create a new one. Luxury Swiss tent for 2 guests. And let's add the description. Let's add the details and then click Save. And finally, click on Save and your changes will be saved. Now let's add this accommodation into our tour. Let's go to All Tours. Now select the tour where you like to add the accommodation. Let's select this one that we have created earlier. Let's go to Accommodation. So you can see we have created the standard room, deluxe room and luxury Swiss tent. So let's add the price for each room type. For standard, there will be no cost. For deluxe, it will be $100. And for the luxury Swiss tent, it will be $300. And click on Update. Okay, setting has been saved. Let's preview this tour. Now select any date. Click on Choose Your Date and select the date from here. Let's go with this date. And here you can see we have the accommodation option as well. By clicking on the View Detail button, they can see more detail about this room type or this accommodation. You can add images as well in the detail section. Okay, for the standard room, there will be no cost. This will be for 1 traveler. Let's say 2 person book this tour. Let's change the quantity from here to, you can see, 2 traveler. Now if someone try to book the standard room for 2 travelers, you can see there will be no cost. And what if they try to book the deluxe room? They cannot book both of them. They have to remove the standard room first and then they can book the deluxe room. Okay, you can see. So whenever you try to select the 2 travelers, you cannot book this tour because this accommodation needs 3 traveler. So make sure if there are 3 traveler try to book this tour, then they can add the deluxe room, as you can see, and you can see the cost over here. Alright, so this is how you add the accommodations as well. And we have created the add-ons, and here your customer can add the traveler details and so on and so forth. Okay, let's close this out and let's come back here, and we have successfully created the tour. Let's go back and now let's move to the next step. In this step, we will explore other options that Tripcart has offered. In the Tours tab, you can see we have the destination. In the destination, you will see all the listed destination that we have on our website. In the activities, you will see all the activities. Next, we have the tour info. You can see we have the tour information like duration, age range, destination, and so on and so forth. You can add more by clicking over here, Add Tour Info. Next, we have the difficulty level. You can see we have 3 types of difficulty level: easy, medium, and hard. You can add more just by clicking over here. It could be extremely hard or something like that. Okay. Next, we have the add-on services that we already explored and as well as the accommodation. Now let's collapse this and let's expand the tour setting. In the tour setting, we have the price category for adult and child. You can create a new, for example, for senior citizen. Next, we have the currency. Here you can see we have 2 tabs, general and currency switcher. In the general, we have the payment currency and display format, which is completely fine. And we have the currency switcher. You can enable or disable this by toggling this switch. I'm going to leave it as it is. Next, we have the deposit payment. You can accept the deposit payment by checking this box, or you can give a full discount on full payment by enabling this option. I'm going to leave it as it is. Next, we have the block dates. If you like to block any date or multiple dates, you can select from here. Okay. Then we have the tour tab. Here you can see all the tabs that you will see on the tour page: overview, itinerary, cost, package, and so on. Alright. Next, we have the miscellaneous. Here you can see all the information about the tour highlights, booking button label, choose your date, which is completely fine, tour inquiry lead form. This is also completely fine. The things that you can change is like discount percentage format, round off or without round off, itinerary displays, collapsed or expanded. Let's keep this collapsed. Okay. If you like to display the WhatsApp information, you can toggle the switch and then click on Save Changes. This will keep your changes saved. Okay, so we're done with the tour settings. Now let's expand the booking. Here you will see all the bookings. When someone book any date from your website, you will see all the booking dates from here, and custom booking as well. In the custom booking, you can see we don't have any custom booking data yet. upcoming tours. If there is any upcoming tours that you have created, you will see over here. Next, you will see the customers. Here you will see list of the customers. Next we have the custom payment. Here you can create custom payments by clicking over here, or you can send the invoice to your customer. In the custom booking tab, you can create a payment link and then you can send that link to your customer. Okay, let's go to leads. You can see we don't have any leads yet. Coupons, you can create coupons just by clicking on add coupons button. Here you can type the name of the coupon. You can type the code. For example, you can say something like Rana20. It will give the 20% discount on this tour. You have to select the tour, or you can exclude any tour. You can set the start date, expiry date, minimum amount to apply this coupon, or you can add the maximum users of this coupon, how many times someone can use this coupon, and you can set the limit per customer as well by toggling the switch, and this will be the status for this coupon. Okay, let's go back. So you can see we don't have any coupon. Next, we have the post, all post. So you can see we don't have any post yet. You can create a new one just by clicking on add new post button. Just add the title and the description, and then simply publish your content on your website. That's simple. Let's go back and you can see the categories. You can create categories for your post. For example, if you're creating post for Rajasthan tour, you can give a name, the category Rajasthan or something like that, or related to Rajasthan tour. Next, we have the pages. In the pages, you can see by default, there is a 3 pages created. You can create a new one just by clicking on add new pages, or you can edit your existing page. For example, let's open the terms and condition. You can see we don't have any content yet page. You can create your own terms and condition page and add the content over here and then click on update. It will create the terms and condition page for your website. In a similar way, we have the contact us page. This is completely fine. Let's go back. And remember to edit your privacy policy as well. In the media, you will see all the media that you have uploaded on your website, or you can upload more media files just by clicking on upload button and drag and drop your media file over here. That's simple. Next, we have the website settings that we look at in the moment. And next, we have the apps. Here you can see we have the different types of apps here, like payment gateway. You can see you can integrate PayPal, Stripe, and few other options available for you. Or you can request a payment gateway that you like to integrate on this tour and travel website. Okay, there is a Razorpay payment gateway available as well. Very useful to receive Indian payments. Okay, we have the settings here. Default gateway, book now and pay later. Right now there is a default payment gateway is book now and pay later. Already selected. Payment method icon, you can select any type of icon from the list. And we have the terms and condition label. I agree to. Terms and condition page. Make sure you select the terms and condition page from this drop down, and you have the privacy policy page as well. Okay, next we have the booking fee. If you like to enable the booking fee, it will be added during the checkout. Alright, next we have the tools. In the tools, you can see what different types of tool over here, like redirection, custom script, custom CSS, reCAPTCHA integration, group size, and so on and so forth. Next, we have the reviews. You can see we don't have any review yet. When someone write a review on your website, it will be displayed over here. In the settings, you can see we have the review label, traveler's review, rapid API key. You have to add the rapid API key over here. To get your rapid API key, just click here. It will open the documentation page of Rapid API that will show you how to get your credentials and how to paste the credential over here. That's simple. So let's go back here. So let's look at other options like form builder. You can see we have 2 types of forms already created, inquiry form and contact form. If you open the inquiry form, you can see this is the form that has been created by default. You can add more fields or you can delete any field that you want. In the settings, you can see we have the general settings, label, submit, email notification, where you like to receive the email notification. Make sure you type your original email over here, subject, and the custom notification from where customer will receive the notification. From email, select the email and reply to. Your original email should be here and the subject is already there, and this is the email content. You can change this as per your liking. In the confirmation, you can see we have this text message, which is completely fine, but you can change this as well if you want. Let's go back. In the similar way, we have the contact form. Next, we have the import. Here you can see you can import pages or posts from WordPress or WP Travel Engine. You can download the Tripcart plugin from here, and then you can import the pages, posts from your WordPress and your WP Travel Engine plugin directly into Tripcart. I've already created a dedicated video on WP Travel Engine that you can find on my YouTube channel or in the video description. Anyways, let's look at the email notifications. Here you can see we have different types of tab here like notifications, settings, email header, and the email logs. In the email notification, in the notifications tab, you can see we have a bunch of options like we have the booking confirmation. In the booking confirmation, we have the name and we have the subject and we have the content. In the abandoned cart, you can see we have different types of content over here. Feel free to change anything that you like. We have the tour reminder. You can select the date from here or you can change any content from here as well. In the similar way, you can change anything that you like from the email notification. In the settings tab, you can select the SMTP provider. By default, it is Tripcart, or you can use other SMTP as well. In the email header/footer settings, you can add the header image and the footer content. And next, we have the email logs. There is no emails log available yet. Okay, finally, we have the account settings tab. You can upload your avatar and your username, first name, last name, email, and your bio. And then few other information like time zone, social media handles over here. And once you add those details, you can click on update and it will update your settings. And next we have the company information like your business detail goes here, password, you can change your password from here. You can add the team member or you can remove any team member from here that can manage your website. In the billings, you can see we have the plans. So as you know, I'm using 30-day free trial. If you like to upgrade your account, you can check out the amazing features that Tripcart has offer. They have created 3 packages: growth, accelerate, and scale. And these are the features that comes with these packages. If you like to add the custom domain, then make sure you have at least growth pack. Then you can add your own custom domain on your tour and travel website. Payment history, you can see all the payment history over here. The users, you can see the storage, you will get 10 GB and we have used only 0.25 megabyte. Next, we have the cache settings. You can clear your cache or cookie of your website just by clicking on clear cache button. Okay, so let's go back and now let's look at website setting. Let's open this up. You can see we have the website builder, we have the customization, menu, custom domain, SEO, and translation. So first of all, let's look at the custom domain option. So you can see this option only available if you have any paid plan. Okay, and the SEO, let's go to the SEO. All right, so you can see this will be our tour page. Right now, as you know, I'm using 30-day free trial. So this is my subdomain. But if you have paid plan, then there will be your original domain name, and then it will be your tour page, destination page, and activity, and so on. So by default, all the permalinks are completely fine. Now let's look at the translation. And from here, you can select any language, Hindi, English, and so on and so forth, and translate these options. Okay. Now let's look at the menu. In the menu, you can create a new menu. You can see we don't have any menu yet. Let's go to the customization. You can see we have the tour banner layout. What type of layout you like to add on your website. By default, this one is selected, but feel free to explore these layouts and apply them as per your preferences. Finally, we have the website builder. Let's open this up. So this is our website builder. So you can see right now we are inside the home page, and this is how it would display on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Your customer can book the tour directly from the mobile devices, and this is pretty responsive. Let's click on the desktop view and let's see what we have in the left hand side. In the left hand side, you will see all the elements that has been added over here. As you can see, we have the global settings. In the global settings, we have the color. You can select the color from here, brand color, or you can change the heading color, H1 and H2. By default, it is this black one. Body text color. You can change the body text color from here as well. Let's go back and we have the typography, and here you can select any font from this list. Okay, and you have the font size, font family, and the font size as well, H1, H2, and the pixel goes here. Let's go back. We have the scroll to top. If you scroll down, you will see the scroll to top button. By default, it is enabled, but you can disable this if you want. You can change the scroll to top button color from here, change the size, right offset, and bottom offset. Okay, you can disable it or you can enable it. Let's go back, and we have the SEO settings. You can see you can configure your SEO settings by clicking over here. And here you can see you have to type the SEO meta description over here. It will improve your visibility on search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing as well. And we have social links. In the social, you can see we have the social media icons like Facebook, Twitter. Right now we are inside the Facebook. Here you can drag and drop the gallery images and add the description and keep the title as it is. Next we have the advanced. In the advanced tab, you don't have to change anything, just keep it as it is. Let's close this out and let's go back. Next we have the header. In the header, you can see we have the site logo. Here you can upload the logo of your brand. If you do not know how to create a logo for your website, I've already created a dedicated video that you can find in the video description, or you can go to my YouTube channel and learn how to create a logo for free. We have the content. Right now we are inside the content tab, and you can see we have the style. You can stylize your font size, title, tagline, navigation menu, sub-menu, and so on and so forth. And few other color options over here. You can even add the custom CSS as well. Alright, let's go back. When you click on hero, you can see this is the hero section and it is aligned in the left hand side. You can change it to center or right. You can see. Let's keep it left based on the image. Okay. You can increase or decrease the font size. As you can see, let's set back to 6. And you can also increase or decrease the size of the description. Keep it to. Let's go back. In the similar way, we have different types of section here. You can either select the section from here or you can select any section directly from here. Just click on this orange edit button. Click here. It will automatically open that section for you. And from there, you can change the content or you can change the style, whatever you like. So basically, website designing is time-consuming process. So take your time. It is self-explanatory. This is drag and drop editor or website builder offered by Tripcart, designed specially for beginners. So spend some time on this and you will understand how easy it is to design your website. So once you make any changes, don't forget to click on save. It will keep your changes saved. Okay, so let's go back. So with that, we have successfully created our tour and travel website. If I forget something during the video, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out, guys. So that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.